This is Michelle from Motivation Mojo, and today I'm here outside in Kendall and I'm bringing you tip number 22 to help improve the motivation in your business. Number 22 is really simple. I'd just like you to go and sign up for a podcast, something you're interested in, something that motivates you. And then the really important part, go and set some time aside every day to make sure you listen to at least 15 or 20 minutes of that podcast. You could be going for a walk, you could be going for a run, you could be just vacuuming the house. I even find when I'm cooking sometimes it's a really good time to listen to a podcast, and it's quite motivating. So go do that, come back tomorrow, and I'll see you for tip number 23. Have a really good day. Bye.